Yes, you heard it right, a real fairy. The fairy smiled and said,
Timber Tom, did you lose your axe?
First, she showed him a golden axe shining brightly like the sun. Timber Tom immediately said,
No, fairy, this is not my axe.
Then the fairy showed him a silver axe, glowing like the moon. Timber Tom smiled and said again,
This one isn't mine either, fairy.
Finally, the fairy brought out Timber Tom old rusty iron axe. Timber Tom's face lit up and he shouted with joy.
Yes, that's my axe.
The fairy was very happy. She said,
Timber Tom, you are an honest man. You didn't take what wasn't yours. That's why I'm giving you all 3 axes.
Timber Tom's eyes filled with tears of happiness. He returned to the village, smiling, and told everyone, Honesty always brings sweet rewards. Moral of the story, always speak the truth and be honest, no matter how big the temptation is, because honesty always wins.